Hello everyone, my name is Deepika. Today I am going to describe main merge. Today we will also study about how to use main merge in MS Word. So let's start. What is main merge? Here, MailMerge is a useful tool that allows you to produce multiple letters, labels, envelopes, name, tags, and more using information stored in a list, database, or spreadsheet. Here are three more components of MailMerge. First one is main document. In main document, this is the base of the document, and in this, there is all addresses of all recipients. Next one is data source. In data source, it contains the names and addresses of all recipients and also document, spreadsheet and database. Last one is merge document. In this, result of the merge and combines main document with each record in the database data source. Let's see how to use mail merge. First, this is the first step. Here, first you have to open MS Word, go to Start button, then type MS Word. When the MS Word will be open, then you have to click on Mailing tab. In Mailing tab, you have to click on Start Mail Merge. Here it looks like that, and then click on Start Mail Merge option. Okay, then this drop down box will appear. Here you have to click on Step by Step Mail Merge Wizard. When you click on that, this screen will appear. Here you have to select your document type, which type of document you want to create, like envelope, labels, anything, so that you can select from here. Next step is select the starting document. Here from you can select use a current document. If you want to use a current document, so then click on use a current document. Otherwise click on start from a template. It is inbuilt in MS Word. And next one is start from existing document. Though it is those type of document, those are in exist from earlier, and then select use current document and then click next, select recipient. Next step is select recipient. In this you have to select how many friends you have to send mail or invitation, anything. Then here you have to select recipient list, how many recipient you have to send. Then select type a new list and then click create. Here you can click on type a new list and then click on create option. Next is create a list by adding data in the new address list dialog box and clicking OK. In this, first you have first click on title, then add first recipient name, last name, in which company they are working, their address. You can add one by one, and after clicking on new entry, and then after entering all recipients list, click on OK option. Next is, you know that now that a list has been created, you had added 10 recipient. Yeah, if you want to add how many recipient you can add in it, and then the mail merge wizard reverse to use an existing list, and you have the option to edit the recipient. If you after some time, if you want to edit some recipient's name from the list, then you can also do it on clicking on edit recipients list. Okay, then next click on Selecting Edit Recipient List opens up the Mail Merge Recipient dialog box where you can edit the list and select or unselect records. Click OK to accept the list as it is. Here you can click the dialog box, checkbox also. After that, click Next. Here you have to write your letter, like your invitation letter, labels in envelope. If you want to write something, then you can write, and then write the letter and add custom fields. Here you can add address block to add the recipient. So here the many you have different recipients, so they have different addresses. So you have to give a address block in your letter at the top of the document, so you can edit anytime addresses. Next is in the Insert Address block dialog box, check or uncheck boxes and select options on the left until the address appears the way you want it to. Here you can insert recipient's name, like here you can see Joshua Rendell, Mr. Joes, Mr. Joses, and also you can insert company name, insert postal address. Different recipient lists have different postal address, so you can add different addresses here. And after that, you can click on OK. So first note that you can use match field to correct any problems. Like clicking match fields opens up the match field dialog box in which you can associate the field from your list with the field required by the wizard. And after that, click on OK. And after that, press enter on your keyboard and click greeting line to enter a greeting. Then in the Insert Greeting Line dialog box, choose the greeting line format by clicking the drop-down arrows and selecting the option of your choice, and then click on OK. Like if you are sending your friends, then you can add dear, and if you send an email to your any colleagues, any senior, then you can add Mr. Mrs. anything you can add here, and after that click OK. Then first noted that the address block and greeting line are surrounded by chevrons, and write a short letter and then click next so you can preview your letters. Next, after previewing your letter, click next, complete the merge. And if you want to print your letter and or edit individual letter to further personalize some or all of the letters, here you can click on print, so you can print it. I hope you all will understood. And next we will know what are the benefits of mail merge. First one, make changes quickly to lots of letter. Next, produce thousands of letters very quickly. Much easier to check letters for errors etc. Another one is send letter to only certain people. Next, you can save letters as a template and reuse. Another one, letters can be personalized and same databases of people can be used. These are the benefits of mail merge. And if there is benefits, there are also disadvantages. First advantage is most letters can lack a personal touch. It is because the only individual part in a mail merge document is the data merged from the database. And next one is can take a long time to set up initially, may not be worth it for a one job, and it can create vast amount of junk mail. It annoys recipients, it's self-repeating, not ready. So these are the disadvantages of mail, but it is very useful for us, and it is very uh, yeah, It helps to save our time or also energy. If you have, let's take an example. If you are having your birthday in the next month and you want to invite all your friends, so you will create an invitation later in main was, and also just send to all your friends, just changing the addresses and name of the recipients. So it saves our time and also energy. It is very useful for us. I hope you all will understood. Here are some questions for you for practicing and also some quizzes, so you can play it and it will be very interesting to you, and you can practice it from home. You can create an invitation letter for your birthday party uh, and send at least 10 recipients using this function. Okay, I hope you will enjoy and understood. So thank you everyone. Thank you.